Hey, good morning. Granny Gear here for Old Guy in a Bike. Sorry for the wind noise. It is a cold and blustery day here in Southern California. You know, there's all kinds of reasons to go ride your bike. Sometimes you're racing or training, or maybe you're exploring. Sometimes you're just out testing products like I get to do. But you know, I think the best rides is just you and a couple buddies out on your bikes. And that's what today's video is all about. It's a 5-minute celebration of a beautiful day, amazing single track, and 3 old guys out having a really good time on their gravel bikes. Special shout out Turner Bikes and their titanium cyclosis gravel bike. Such a sweetheart, loved riding that bike today. WTB Tires for helping me stay rubber side down, and Redshift Sports for their fabulous stem and seat post that smoothed out those bumps in the trail. Now, just a little note, not always, but sometimes at the end of my videos, after the outro, I'll put a couple, shall we say, Easter eggs in your video basket. So stick around, don't be in a hurry to leave. All right, you guys, have a great week and/or weekend. And as always, go ride your bikes. Roll video. Crazy driveway.
too late for that.
Yeah. Okay, at the end of all this pedaling and merriment, I present to you the coup de grace, the world's steepest driveway. Come on, 4052. Oh, Lord. Wow. Holy smokies. Oh, holy cow. Oh. 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 Whew. Holy smokes. Oh man. That is a wrap.